Hi there. In this video I am gonna show you 9 Facebook hidden features that only power users know. So let's get started. On first we have account snooping. Wanna know if someone is logged into your Facebook account without your permission? Navigate to Settings and Privacy. Click Settings again. Now from the left sidebar, click Security and Login. Here, you will find all your active Facebook logins from desktop or mobile devices, even across apps, like the Facebook app versus the Messenger app. This comes in handy if you log into a friend's laptop or a public computer and forget to log out. If something seems fishy, log out from individual devices, click the three-dot menu and log out. Next we have Profile Picture Guard. Do you know that you can prevent your profile picture from being seen or tagged by anyone, or even prevent it from downloading, by using the Profile Picture Guard? It helps protect the profile picture from misuse. Go to Settings and click on Profile Photo Guard. Click Next. Here you can see the guard is active. Click Save. And now, my profile is safe. Easy peasy. Yes, you can download any Facebook video just by completing 4 steps. First, copy the link of the video that you want to download. Second, open the website named fbdown.net. Third, paste the link of the video. And fourth, just click Download. And that's that. Bingo. Facebook makes it next to impossible to go back and find something that you whizzed past during a recent scroll. Don't lose that tasty-looking recipe or interesting article. Save it for later. Doesn't matter if it's a link, or a video, or even a post. You can save it easily. Just click on this ellipsis menu in the top right of any post, and click Save Link if it's a link. Create a collection so it will be easy for you to locate. Boom. And similarly for the video, same procedure, just click the three-dot menu and click Save. This will send the link to your saved folder. Where's your saved folder? You actually won't see it until you save something. From the left sidebar, click on See More. Scroll down and click Saved. And that's your collection right here. Hell yeah! Are you concerned you spend too much time on Facebook? You can now see exactly how long you spend on the site each day. From your Facebook settings, scroll down, and click on Your Time on Facebook. The bar chart under See Time will display how many minutes per day you were on during the last week. Swipe left to see daytime versus nighttime usage, and total number of visits. If you've been a Facebook user for a while, then you probably have a folder full of unread messages that you didn't even know existed, the Message Requests folder. This is where Facebook sends all the missives from people you're not currently friends with. It could be filled with old high school flings reaching out or a bunch of Nigerian spammers. Who knows? Only one way to find out. Click the messenger icon, click on the 3 dots icon, and click on Message Requests. Then you'll see all sorts of messages from strangers. There may be an entry called See Spam showing those who tried to contact you, but who've likely been kicked off the service after being reported by others. Delete them with joy. Everyone on Facebook will die. Eventually. In anticipation of this unavoidable truth, Facebook lets you name a legacy contact who will manage your account after you are gone. Your legacy contact can write a pinned post for your profile, respond to new friend requests that come after you have passed, and update your profile and cover photo, in case your final image is you in an ironic SpongeBob Halloween costume. They can even download your Facebook data, minus any messages you sent or received. Want your own personal copy of everything you've ever shared on Facebook, for posterity or to save before you delete your account? Navigate to Settings and Privacy, and click Settings. From left sidebar, click on your Facebook information option. Now click on View in front of Download Your Information. Select the time frame you want, and the format the data should arrive in. Select Create File. Depending on how much stuff you have saved on your account, It could take a while for Facebook to compile it. You'll get a notification when it's ready to download. All your Facebook friends are actually people you'll like and want to hear from, but that's not realistic. But it would be rude to defriend your aunt or your chatty high school classmate. Take the easy way out and unfollow them. Their posts won't appear in your news feed, but you'll still be friends as far as Facebook is concerned. From your settings, click on Newsfeed, and click on Unfollow. Now select the contact you want to unfollow. It's that simple. Tell me in the comments which feature you liked the most. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.